Small road trip tip if you're going to be van camping, in and out of your car a lot, living out of your car or whatever. Little things to keep. These little moisture eliminator things like you would put in a laundry room or whatnot are great to get moisture and smells out of your car, because let's face it, if you're in and out of it a lot, sweat, stuff like that, laundry, clothing, it's going to smell. You can put these anywhere in the car, in a drawer. I put them either under my seat sometimes or in the little back compartment behind the seat, and really does a good job getting rid of smells and moisture in the car. And these little satchel things, I like these instead of air fresheners myself. I like the bamboo one, I don't know, and that's what they look like out of the little packet. So yeah, and I get these from Dollar Tree. They're $1 a piece, so you can't beat that. Oh, and then I'm reorganizing everything, so I'm finding that's a big thing. Keep everything organized. I have a bunch of stuff in here right now because I had a massage stuff and wrestling work on top of that, so some of this stuff's usually not in here, and I have that giant bag, but it's also cluttered because I'm reorganizing and cleaning and vacuuming the van out, because I got lazy for a couple days and just threw stuff everywhere. So hopefully I'll have a rooftop storage thing soon too, and I can put my massage stuff and some of my gear stuff in there, and reorganize a bit. Power bank's still working great, but main thing I wanted to touch on was organization and cleanliness and these little things. Like I said, Dollar Tree, these work great. These are awesome, bunch of different smells, and you can find these all over the place, Walmart, whatnot. I like the ones at Dollar Tree, they work good, and they're not overpowering, so you can keep them in a glove box or wherever. So yeah, you can see I made a mess. I need to vacuum. This is just from tracking stuff in and out over the last couple of days, and I think I spilled a bag of chips or something, I don't know. But yeah, I'll give an update on the reorganized van and get it done. I got curtains I'm going to be putting back here soon too, so there's that. Doing laundry right now, local laundromat, and then back to Southern Sickness Cup for day 2. I'll do a video on that. Ended up doing a death match last night, which went good. Fought a guy named Alex Ocean. First time meeting him in person and fighting him in a match. Went pretty good. Did not win. Caught me, elbowed me in the back of the dome, but we got kind of crazy. Tubes and barbed wire and all kinds of wildness. So I was feeling froggy. That'll be up on IWTV at some point, I'm sure, and DVD, and there'll be clips and everything. It was a pretty wild night, long night. Tonight should be fun too, and then it's off to tapings for Next Generation or Gen Next Pro Wrestling in Kentucky. So I'll do an update on that. I think I'm gonna get a drone here sometime too soon and use it for recording. There's a lot of pretty places around here that I'm seeing, so I want to get them all documented. But yeah, anyway, I got sidetracked. Yep, these little gimmicks right here, great stuff. Keep the moisture and odors out your car, keep everything fresh, keep your house clean. All right, till the next time.